What's up, my CreditReport Capital crew? This is Renata with CreditReport Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today we're going to talk about the 6 tips that I can give you to help you get your finances in order. Okay, so and don't forget. Wait to the very end, because I got that bonus information for you. So without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Thank you to my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all for subscribing. Please share and join our Facebook group. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, now aligning your finances involving taking stocks of your taking stacks of your income, expenses, your debt, your financial goals. Okay, because everybody should have goals. We should be trying to reach, trying to take it to the next level. Okay, so now the first thing that you need to do is have a budget. Okay, creating a budget takes a close look at your income, expenses, as well as debt. Try to create a budget that reduces your expenses and allows you to pay off your debt faster. Using online resources or consulting with a financial advisor to help you create a realistic budget that works for you, okay? Because there's so many things that are out there that will help you build your budget and make sure that you can actually get to where you need to go in. Because no matter how old you are, you should always have a goal. You should always still thriving, trying to increase, go to the next level, because we need to start saving money to build that asset. So that way we can start building that generational wealth. That money can create money. Okay, so create a budget. Next, set your financial goals. Okay, identify what you want to accomplish with your money, such as saving for retirement, buying a house, paying off your debt. Make sure these goals are specific and achievable, and create a timeline for when you want to reach these goals, because of the fact that if you don't have that timeline, these goals, you could be going for these goals multiple times. Excuse me, y'all. You could be reaching for these goals all the time. However, you need to have that timeline so that way you can reach these goals and achieve them, because without that timeline, you won't do it. Okay, and also have a battle buddy. Let somebody know your goals so that way they can keep you accountable for reaching these goals. Okay, now next is automate your savings. I do this all the time. Set up automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account or an investment account. This way you will be consistently saving money without having to think about it. Okay, so I do this every time I get paid, every time I get money that just came up, that just manifests from out of, from out of thin air. I go ahead and put it in my savings or in an investment account. Okay, so this is a great way to actually do so, because we need to start saving. We need to start building this generational wealth. Okay, also pay off debt. Try to pay off high interest rate debt first and work your way down the list. Look into debt consolidation or refinancing options to help you lower your interest rate and simplify your payments. I'm actually going to do a video about consolidation, because I think it is a good video to do, and I can give you my experience about what I did with my debt consolidation as well. Okay, a couple of years ago I actually did one, and this is a great way that you could actually pay off your debt. You can actually get with your bank, if you have a local credit union. I talked about the best things that you could do to have a credit union. I'll put it up here, and I also have a video. Yeah, I can't think it up right now. Brain fart, my bad. And also, if y'all have any information about the way that y'all actually pay off your debt and how you got out of debt, or build your income or set your financial goals, put it in the description below. Share the wealth. Okay, everybody should have different opinions and different ideas about how to actually go about creating, getting out of that financial stability. Okay, so the next one is investing in your future. Consider investing in stocks, mutual funds, or real estate to help build long-term wealth. And that's what this is, the whole thing that we're doing. If you want to get into real estate, you don't have to be an investor. You don't have to know these things. Just get you a real estate agent that invests in real estate, so that way they will actually know exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it to get things done. Okay, so let's get you a real estate agent and start investing in real estate. Okay, if not you want to do, get you someone that does mutual funds. Okay, an expert in that field, so that way you have the best person on your team and that you can actually get to where you need to go. Okay, now last but not least, the most important is monitor your progress. Review your budget and finance goals regularly. Make sure that you are on track. Make adjustments as needed to keep yourself aligned with your financial goals. Okay, so that is the best way that you need to do, is reevaluate your budget and your plan, because things change. I mean, it's not rocket science. Everything changes. Your goals might change. Okay, so reevaluate them every so often, to stay on track to get to that next level. Okay, now bonus round. Okay, you guys, bonus round. Now, I'm giving you the top 5 consolidation companies that I know about that you should actually get with. But first of all, you should always before choosing a company, make sure to do your research and check their reviews and credentials to make sure that they are reliable and trustworthy for you. Okay, I always tell you, don't take somebody's word for it. Always do your research. Now, the first one is National Debt Relief. Um, it's a company that I've been hearing about, and that some people said that they're a great company. So make sure you get with them. And the other one is Accredited Debt Relief. Freedom Debt Relief. I actually used that one for my consolidation. Was Freedom Debt Relief. Pacific Deck Inc. Consolidation Credit Counseling Service. Okay, those are the top 5 consolidation companies that I have to offer. But make sure you do your research, and also write down in the chat below, what service did y'all do if you had to do a debt consolidation. Now, you can actually go to your personal bank and they can give you a personal loan, so that way you could actually pay off all your debt, and then you have that one payment. But check it out and see exactly what you have to offer and what you can actually get. And going with your bank, you can also, what is it? You can actually ask for a lower interest rate. I forgot the name of the word I'm looking for. You can not compromise, but you can, oh my gosh, I'm tired today. School is kicking my behind. Okay. I forgot the name of it, but you could actually go to the bank and you can actually talk to them and let them know what you're looking for, and then y'all can come up with an agreement to what y'all need to do. Okay, so that is my bonus round for today. Okay, you guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. I can't believe it. I've been doing this actively for like a year and a half, and I thank all of you guys for watching, for listening. Please check me out on my Facebook group. Please join, and we can actually listen out on what we have to offer. Listen to my podcast, as well as download Clubhouse. I gave y'all the link on the last video. I could actually stick that here if you like, and you can scroll to the last video, the last portion, and get that link. Okay. Now, and that way you can actually come and listen to what I have to say too on Clubhouse as well. Okay, so my name is Renata. This is Credit with Capital. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video.